listen though. I got this new little fine shit.
Okay, fine shit.
He popping out.
I ain't popping out, twin. But hold on. Out of the other bitch that been trying to fuck me, she's gonna get fucked.
Pop it.
YouTube, what's going on, man? It's Mike Lowery back at it again with another video, man. It has been a while. It's probably been like 2 to 3 months since your boy has dropped a video, dropped a banger, or whatever you want to say. It's just been a minute. Y'all check the braids out. Yeah. Got the fresh cut today. You know what I'm saying? But look, we got something big on the way. Pause. But we got something. Hey, we've been putting things into motion, man. For real. We've been putting things into motion. If you know, you know. If you know, you know. But what we about to do right now, we actually about to go get some gas. Then we got to come back, wait on Jordan, and then we slide into Columbia to meet up with the fellas. It's going to be, I'm not going to say it's going to be lit because I honestly don't know what we're doing. It's like a last minute thing. But I was like, why not? Why not just pull up, have fun with the guys, so we can do something. You know what I'm saying? We're supposed to be pre-gaming at 6, but you already know what type of timing we on. Black people timing. It's 5:01 right now. So we'll get there at 6:24. But now Jordan stayed 24 minutes away from me. So we just gonna say we're gonna get there close to 7 o'clock. Maybe. Depends on how fast Jordan drive. But other than that, yeah, we just having a little chill Saturday. And then we coming back tonight, of course. So depending on how I feel, I might have Jordan drive back. I don't know. We all gonna be drinking, so I don't know. But look, y'all stay tuned to the video, man. I hope y'all been good. I've been good. Just putting everything into effect in some motion I had going on. You know what I'm saying? So everything is back in motion right now. Like I just been elevating. So like, let's get it.
What are you doing today? Because it's your one and only Mike Lowery 1-2. Hey, look, merch is dropping soon, but I better get my shit first.
The merch is dropping though. The merch is dropping soon for real.
Shit, it took me 3 months to get one pair of glasses. God damn.
Bro, I've been busy.
Bro, I've been a nigga since day one, bro. But shit, I ain't tripping because it's all love though.
It did take him about 3 months to get his merch though.
You know what I tell him? Keep God in your life. F nigga.
We lit though, man.
Man, I'm about to go ahead and pop this. I'm ready to take another shot. Y'all done turn me up.
Oh, come on, take a shot then. Let's go.
Hold on, let me get the bottle up before though.
Hold on. Let me put the camera down, bro. Hold on. But yeah, man, I was drinking on that fruit punch.
That fruity.
Should mix that fruit punch up. You know what I'm saying?
That fruity with that big old booty. Hey man, look. Fucking around with Lack, you gonna get drunk.
Hey, you heard what he said? You heard what he said?
Yeah, his ass.
You crazy as fuck.
Hey, I got that yicky.
No, what's in that cup?
That shit thick. That was a thick ass shot.
Hey, that motherfucker.
Hey, but you can't go wrong with tequila and lemonade. That is like prime time. Like, hey, double cup. Hey, what you do?
No.
What you call it? Muy bueno.
Telling you.
Let me know your butt. Straight ganger.
And we live and televised, man.
We live and
televised.
How that boy be?
Either way, no nigga taking me, bitch.
That was stupid. That boy crazy.
It's another episode of Lowery. What's your shit called?
Oh, that's Lowery.
Oh, that's Lowery.
And we live, nigga. Live in effect. Got the guys in there, bitch. Lit. Where y'all going?
You ain't tell how long we was on. Yeah, we going to Orangeburg.
Orangeburg tonight?
Yeah. You want to ride?
Ha, cooked. Cooked. What the fuck? That nigga said tonight?
Nigga, that shit like 50 minutes away, bro.
Yeah.
Whoa!
Oh yeah. I'm
50.
I'm 0 minutes away from the crib.
He's cooked.
Cooked. Oh my mama.
50?
50? Nigga, you not even dressed.
I got put on my shirt. Nigga, the party don't start till 9, but we probably gonna leave till like 9.
Yeah.
So Quay, is that bit 50? So that bit 50 minutes away.
Shit like an hour 20. Matter of fact, let me check the loaf right now.
An hour and 20 minutes.
I said an hour 20.
Hey, it sound like going to the crib.
What's in Orangeburg though? Steak?
That freak need, nigga, be that mother. That freak need.
Man, fuck no, bruh. This homecoming shit?
Nah.
So what
Can't
is?
be.
It's just some shit niggas just threw together for real. You know?
Fuck no. Fuck no, we ain't fucking with it. He fucking with it.
11.75,
But we ain't
$5
fucking with it. I ain't gonna lie, nigga. You done got too many niggas in one spot. Niggas comfortable. Niggas ain't doing no big horse crazy that nigga. I ain't gonna lie, man. That nigga Quinn love that pussy.
Hey, look at how many
Hey, yo, hey, what the fuck? Hey, get the fuck out of here, bro. Hey,
Be quiet, be quiet. Look.
that shit loud as hell.
I just wanted to make this video for my nigga Briggs, man. He say he ain't been really doing shit out here. I got a little surprise for you, my boy. Let me bring this home.
Look, watch it.
Until you get you some real, my boy.
Why he got one though?
No,
Hey, look, cause he fucking it.
That shit was the size of like this bag, bro. That nigga said. That nigga had the little. That's some little ass booty. Think about how small that booty is, bro. What the fuck? Quit love that pussy though. I'm gonna buy you one, bro.
Nah, I don't need one.
You love that pussy, man.
Wait till, nigga. You the fucking freakazoid, nigga.
Hey! That motherfucker freaked out, bro. I'm telling you, he doing shit, nigga. I'm the golden child. I be chilling.
No, he don't.
God.
My mom, this nigga capping though. I ain't tripping though, bro. You know what I'm saying? Had my little time in college type shit. Had a relationship, hopped out that motherfucker. Now I'm just in that motherfucker swimming. No pussy. Just swimming, just chilling and shit.
I kid y'all
But
not, yo.
I got the hole though, you know what I'm saying?
That's a good ass nigga right there. He
Nigga, bro.
tender dick. So like every bitch that like, you know what I'm saying, my nigga fuck with, he fuck with her.
That nigga capping. That nigga's
That
capping.
nigga like
Only if I like the bitch.
That nigga like the bitch for
Bitches I be fucking with, I don't
but
like.
he don't
But
fuck with
I actually
he don't
like
fuck
one
with a
bitch.
bitch if he don't like the bitch though.
Type shit.
He don't fuck with a
That
bitch.
bitch, that bitch can't get this dick.
That's what I'm saying.
Because when I fuck,
you know what I'm saying?
when I fuck, I fucks. I listen to that body, baby. I'm telling you.
I'm telling you, that boy
I'm telling
is
you, when you
emotion.
listen,
Hey,
listen,
look.
Listen. I'm telling you. The niggas that know how to fuck is the niggas that when they fuck you, right? You know what I'm saying? They pay attention to your body language and they go crazy.
And he ain't even
think
take it from me, right?
Just know I'm gonna be there.
The nigga ain't been fucking.
I said, you
The nigga ain't been fucking. So it's like, I ain't gonna say my nigga can't get none. He just don't be wanting her cause he
If he ain't
too
been fucking,
like,
he gonna get
It's
that shit for 3 minutes.
These
He
bitches
done.
be like,
He got
I
2
been
minutes.
wanted you. Oh,
He
you
got
my
2 minutes.
nigga
He got
now.
2 minutes in him.
I be like, fuck no.
What's the last time you got to him?
Bro, we ain't even got time to ask you. You know what I'm
We
saying?
transparent.
Hey, look.
transparent.
These niggas trying to talk crazy about me, right? But really, I hadn't got a relationship trying to heal and shit. Bitches been trying to fuck. But like, I wasn't even
That
on
big boy
that.
had the lint roller.
I ain't want to be on that.
Hey, yo.
But listen though, I got this new little fine shit.
Okay, fine shit.
He popping out.
I ain't popping out, twin. Chill. But
Nigga said,
I'm
hold on.
Out of the other bitch that been trying to fuck me, she's gonna get fucked.
Pop it.
And no, this ain't no motherfucking trap meet where I go in that bitch and just be humping. Niggas don't know how to fuck. Me, I'm gonna get in that motherfucker.
Damn.
Hell yeah.
Come on. We over here. Hold on. We over here. Come here real quick. I ain't gonna do that.
Damn, this shit choker.
Hey man, you can't see that. That's fine shit. She don't like you called fine shit. I'm sorry. Oh, she a grown woman.
Oh, she a grown woman for real.
We was just talking shit about you though. Oh, come on, man. Watch out. Let go of the shit, pussy.
Lame ass nigga. Hey, it's crazy. I just said your name when you walked in. That nigga got the braids. That nigga think he pop smoke.
Hold on, pop your feet though, Jordan.
Ass nigga, pop smoke ass nigga.
Jordan, show your feet off, Jordan. Show your feet off. Show your feet off.
Put that shit on.
Got no problem.
Hey, talking about? Hey, hey, look, tell them how much that shirt costs though. Hey, hold on. Hey, look, everybody be quiet. Ask Jordan how much that shirt costs though.
How much that shirt? $145.
Hey, big baller.
Big baller.
That bitch paid $145 for that shirt.
Damn, nigga.
His shirt was hot too. That shirt is
For the guys, you know what it is. Shots up for the guys, man.
Hey, I'm not tripping about that shit.
You ain't tripping about what?
Bad.
Everybody, come on now. We ain't even bringing it in the middle. What you doing? What you doing, Jordan? Bring it in, man. Bring it in. Look.
I mean, I got one.
Shots up for the guys. How many? Where you at?
Are you?
Tell my bitch when go get nigga. I wanna see some shit at 6 for my mama.
YouTube, what is going on, man? Oh, hold on. It's Otis Lowery back at it again, and today is Sunday, man. It is Sunday, and yesterday we was lit with the guys. As you can see, we was lit, man. We was lit. A lot of new things has been going into motion. Honestly, we not even gonna talk about what happened yesterday at the function that we was trying to go to. You know what I'm saying? We ain't even gonna speak on what happened. You know what I'm saying? But we got some things in motion about my business on what we got cooking up. So my drop date, you know what I'm saying? Stay tuned to my website and all that. My website is finally complete. I do need to add these cream shirts on there. Other than that, they will be done and they will be ready. But we got some motion cooking up. So I'm actually about to go grab my sample right quick and show y'all like what we had cooking up, man. For real. Hold on. Boom. Check that out. So we got Jesus on like some, I'm gonna just say a mountain, like a mountain top with the rhinestones, right? And this is off the Genesis quote. God set them in the vault of the sky to give light on the earth, and then his rhinestones all over it. So the rhinestones represents the stars that's in the sky because he set them in the vault of the sky to give light on the earth. You see the vision? You know what I'm saying? So this is my shirt, what I got coming out for the drop. Let me know what y'all think, man. Y'all follow Allen & Co. on all platforms. Also, follow me on Otis Lowery. Follow me on my main account too, because we trying to hit 5K. We close to 5K. We probably like 400 something followers away from 5K. So like, I'm trying to stay on top of it. I'm trying to get everything back in motion. Trying to get everything going. But my business is really what I've been focusing on. And yeah, just got some things cooking up, man. So y'all stay tuned for that drop date. That drop date gonna be, so far it's gonna be from May. You know what I'm saying? It's gonna be from May. If everything goes so smooth. You know what I'm saying? If my manufacturer is not playing with me right now, the drop date is still set for May. Now if they tripping, you know what I'm saying? Because it's been taking them a while actually, because they actually been on vacay and stuff. So if they keep playing around and stuff like that, but of course take their time. Take your time with my shirts, great quality, etc. I might have to push the drop date back, but as of right now, we still looking forward to May. You know what I'm saying? Your boy birthday in June, so May is gonna be like a big big opening for your boy, man. No lie. And I'm super excited about my drop too. Like, blessed, highly favored, and thankful for everything, man. For real, I put a lot of hard work into this drop. Regardless of if it sells out quick or not, I'm not really too pressed and worried about that. It's just my passion. So it's like I'm gonna stick to it. I'm gonna keep being focusing on it, and just keep moving forward, man. But look, that's gonna be the end of this video. I just wanted to give y'all an update on what happened yesterday. Yesterday was just crazy, bro. We didn't even end up doing nothing at the function for real. So that's that. And yeah, Lowery out, man.